In this video, let's look at some real demos and real experiences from people who tested GLM-5.3-Flash. All the demos are pulled from X. Full credit to the people who have tested this model. We're looking at 3D worlds you can walk through. Playable games in one shot, a working clock built from scratch, all of it for low cost. GLM-5.3 Flash is the new small fast model from Xi. It shipped August 26th. Before the reveal, it was running around in stealth under the code name Ox Alpha, quietly getting compared to frontier models by people who had no clue what it was. It's a Flash model, so it's built to be cheap and quick. Let's go watch people use it. A couple of people ran this thing locally, not in the cloud, on their own desk, on two DGX Sparks wired together. So this isn't only an API you rent by the token. If you've got the hardware, it runs in your own room. Now the demos. One person typed a single prompt and got a full walkthrough down a space station corridor. Zero shot. First try. One shots like this are a strong read on a model's raw coding instinct. And honestly, watch it move and it's hard to argue. A full 3D visualization. Total cost to make it 1.97 cents. Not dollars, cents. Every single thing you're looking at is code. The geometry, the motion, all of it generated. The model definitely excels at 3D visualization. This person asked it to recreate a video game title screen in one pass. The centerpiece was this golden clock mechanism built from scratch in Three.js. Not perfect but convincing. One reference photo of a game console. One line of instruction, make me a playable machine I can take apart. What comes back splits into pieces. The buttons are 3D and you can click them. The whole thing spins and actually plays. The vision, quote, entered the coding loop. It looks at the image, then it writes the code. This one was plain amazing. A real 3D world built in Blender, driven by the model, and the person went out of their way to say it in bold. This is not a generated video, the model actually built it. A little arcade game called Cosmic Dodge, built side by side against another brand new model. Watch the two runs. The other one tried 5 separate times and still couldn't hit the spec. This one nailed it in a single shot, and the poster called it the cleanest version of the game in the entire thread. Now look at this. One person ran it against a rival model, exact same harness, same effort. The rival finished in 9 turns, 10 minutes, GLM 93 turns, 73 minutes for one scene. Another person's benchmark clocked its average run at 37 minutes. A third put it head to head with Gemini's Flash model and measured it cold. 7.5 times cheaper, but 3.4 times slower. And here's the kicker. Someone raced it against its own bigger sibling. The little Flash version was cheaper, sure. It was also slower than the full-size model it's supposed to be the fast one of. Is not all wins. Sometimes the model loses. One tester capped both models at $2 a scene and put it up against Kimi K3. Same money on the table. Kimi built scenes with real physics, objects that actually knew how to move and bump into each other. GLM couldn't, flat out couldn't. On Vision, the reviews are mixed. One big account tested it on aerial and satellite images and called it, quote, pretty bad at vision. No AGI here, move along. But another one pointed it at robots, live object detection at about 3 frames a second, and called the exact same model's vision exceptionally intelligent. Same model, opposite verdicts. The difference is the job. Point it at a satellite photo and it shrugs. Point it at a robot's eye view and it sings. And one more person ran it beside Quinn's new Flash model, both on that twin DGX Spark rig, and said the quiet part out loud. He was surprised how good the other model was. GLM, he said, was consistently good. Practical stuff for the people who actually want to run this. On price, the posts don't fully agree. One careful comparison listed it at 7 cents in, 25 cents out per million tokens. Another said 15 and 50. Either way, it's loose change territory, a small fraction of what the name brand Flash models charge. People are driving it through coding harnesses, one called Pi plus kilocode plus a benchmark rig named Mindbench, and locally on those two DGX Sparks. And every serious tester did the same smart thing. Same prompt, same box, same budget, right next to each other. That's the only way any of these numbers mean anything. My conclusion? This seems to be a very cost-effective, powerful model for a lot of tasks. You'll need to test it on your own work to see if it's useful for you, but hopefully this video gives you a pattern in a limited way for what this model is good at. That's GLM 5.3 Flash. Real demos, real experiences,